What's up, y'all? It's Trenius. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Back here once again, at it again, talking about 1111, the secret, the truth behind it. 111, I have something very, very important that I just, actually got this message through my intuition as I was meditating today on the 528 hertz. And you're going to be amazed, folks, because what I'm about to tell you about your life, you probably didn't know before you watched this video, but you're on the right track. You're watching this video. You're in perfect alignment. You're in perfect sync, and you're in divine harmony right now. If you are watching this video, you are in divine sync and alignment with the universe, because I am, and like minds think alike. And so you're connected to me, I'm connected to you. So we're the same. We're one mind, one consciousness. Okay, but first and foremost, folks, I want to let you know, if you subscribe, don't forget, if you need personal help, you can contact me and become a REM team member. Just subscribe over here in the bottom right hand corner. And don't forget, subscribers, you already know the drill. At the end of the video, go ahead and get this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to tell you about a real life examples of what my day was like and how 1111 worked in my day today. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how you can use it for your very own experiences. So anyway, let me show you this. So as you know, me and you, we see 1111 all the time, right? Okay, so today was just one of those days that I didn't see 1111, right? Okay. Okay, so it's okay if you don't see it every day. I mean, you're not supposed to see it every day. It's just a sign, folks. It's just a reminder for you to keep in mind that you are in divine order, in alignment with the universe, folks. The universe is always on your side, making things happen for you. Okay? And so today, as I'm driving in my car, because my plan today was to hang out with my mother, which I did, I'm driving to her house, and I noticed that I needed gas. But my gas light was not on, and I just figured, I can make it over there without having to stop at the gas station, because I had to get over her house at a certain time because we had to go somewhere together. And some of you probably saw it on Instagram where I was at today. But yeah, so as I'm going around a corner, her house is down the street. As I'm going around a corner on her street, I get up close to her house. I'm about to go past her house, and then all of a sudden, as I'm going past her house, the garage door comes up. In that split second, as I'm going past her house, her garage door comes up, and I see her kind of like going to her car in her garage, but she didn't see me. At that split second that I passed her house, the garage door went up, and she was going to her car. She did not see me. And so I went past her house, because I always turn around in a cul-de-sac on my mother's street and whatnot. And so as I turned around and I came back up the street to park in front of my mother's home, as soon as I stopped the car in park, the gas light came on. It blinked, blink, 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 blink. So right then and there, let's stop, folks. Now, you already know what 1111 means. You're in divine harmony with the universe, okay? Like I said, on days that you don't experience the 1111, it's the same thing, except you're not seeing 1111 on the clock all the time. You get what I'm saying? So seeing 1111 on your clock is just a reminder. It's just a prompt. It's like practice. It's like practicing football. You know what I mean? Until the actual game day. The game day is when you don't see it and when you're actually dealing with real life experiences like what I'm telling you about right now. So those two experiences I just had that fast would have been 111 moments when you look at your watch, your clock, and you see that time. Okay, you get the example. The garage door went up as soon as I passed her house. Alignment. Okay, she didn't know. I'm gonna tell you why she didn't know in a second. And when I pulled back up to her house and I put the car in park, the gas light came on. Divine harmony. I didn't know that my gas light was gonna come on at that point, and I parked. It could have came on anywhere coming down the street as low as my gas was. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I walked up to my mother's garage. She's still messing around in the car. I don't know what she's doing, but the garage door is open. I walked into the garage. She did not even see me. And so I sneak up on the side of her driver's door, because she had the door still open, sitting in the car doing something. And I tapped her on the shoulder or whatever. She was like, "Oh my God, don't you scare me like that, son. Don't you scare me." I'm like, Mom. See, I knew she was going to do that because she didn't see me. And so that's that. Okay, and so, okay, it gets even better. Continue to listen on, because you're going to be able to use these experiences to determine your real life experiences of divine harmony with the universe. And so as I get in her car and we head out, I started thinking about something, planets. I don't know. Okay, planets, right? I started thinking about something to do with planets. You know how we are. We just think about all kind of things that are like out of this world. Okay, the reason why I started thinking about planets when I was in the passenger seat of my mom's car and she was just not getting in the driver's seat, was because yesterday night I was looking at a documentary about the sun and the solar system and all this stuff, right? Listen to the story, folks. Stay tuned. It gets better. It gets interesting. And so, for some strange reason, when I got in her car, I started thinking about planets. Okay. The moment she crunk up the car and turned on the radio, there was a Beyonce song on the radio. Now, this is the awareness that you have to be in order to experience these 1111 moments, folks. You have to be very aware of what's going on around you at all times without acting like you're aware. And so Beyonce was saying a lyric that started out, as soon as she cut the radio on, the car turned on, and Beyonce said stars. That was the first word that came out of Beyonce's mouth when she cut the radio on. Okay, I noticed it there. Synchronicity there. Why? How did I notice it? Because, or how will you notice it? Because I'm going to say you. Because you were thinking about planets that second, and then when the car turned on, you heard, because you're aware, the artist, the music artist or whatever you're doing, say the word stars. Okay, those correspond, they correlate, and you're still in harmony. This is how you notice harmony all throughout the day, to notice whether or not you're doing good. You know what I'm saying? Or you're vibrating at the proper frequency. Okay, it gets even better. Okay, and so mom cranks up her car and backs out. We're backing out. My mom says, "Oh my God, I need to get some gas." Now, that's the moment that she backs out, right in front of my car, because she had to back out in front of my car to actually get it, because my car was in the road park in front of her house. So she had to back out in front of my car, in order to go down the road and we get on our way. As soon as she's backing out in front of my car, because my car, it needed what? Gas. She says that, "Oh God, I need to get gas." And so what do? We went to the gas station. She got gas. Now, where are we going? I don't know. Mom had planned some surprise get together today. So I'm like, "Mom, what's up? Where are you going?" Okay, so all these synchronicities. This is how 111 works without seeing the numbers, folks. Mom's like, "We are going to the planetarium." And I'm like, bingo. Okay. Immediately, my mind raced back into a dream I had, where I was at a planetarium. This same planetarium we was going to was the same planetarium that I went to when I was a kid in school. So immediately I knew I was in harmony again. You know what I'm saying? I knew I was in harmony again. And folks, this is real. And so also, did I tell you that last night I was looking at stuff about the solar system, right? Okay. And so we were going to the planetarium, which is the museum that show you stuff about space and constellations and stuff. And last night I just got through watching a video and documentary about the sun and all this and that. And I think about planets as soon as I get in the car. And then she cuts the car on the radio. Beyonce's first lyric was what? Stars. And it goes on and on and on. 11111 moments, folks. This is what it means. Okay, so I'm going to end the story right there, because I could go on and on and on all throughout my day about how these synchronicities happen without saying 1111. But I just want to give you these examples and these experiences. So now when things happen in your life, you'll be able to compare and contrast, experiences, thoughts, things that are happening. And you can determine whether or not you're on the proper vibration or the proper frequency. And usually you'll notice these things, folks, when you're out in public, when you're out in the world doing action work. This is when you notice these coincidences and synchronicities. Most of the time when you're out, that's when you notice 111s and 222s and 444, because it's like you have to be active. The inner spirit loves to be active, folks. It never likes to be like stagnated or in one spot. You can't really experience stuff like this if you're always laying around every day not doing nothing. You have to be out in the world doing activities and stuff like that. And so this is really what it means. This is what 1111 means, folks. It's just, once again, I'm gonna end the video right here like this. It's just a prompt. It's just a reminder to show you that the universe is aligned with you by having you see numbers. right? Okay, but that's not where it stops at, and a lot of people mess up because they think that it's all about the numbers and it's all about seeing the synchronicities. That's half of the truth, folks. The truth is the universe is just showing you that it's doing that to you without even the numbers. You see what I'm saying? It's doing things like that for you without even having to see the numbers. The numbers just come in like practice. Like, you remember, you're in sync. I'm doing things outside of these numbers that are short, that are in sync with you. But you have to be aware and keep your eyes open to know that I am doing these things. And when you notice that the universe is doing these things and you're in this vibrational frequency, that means that your frequency is at the proper vibration, folks. That means you're oscillating at the perfect frequency. Very high vibrations. You're very aware. Everything is good. You're manifesting everything into your life at proper timing. You're doing great. Everything is going to be wonderful for you if you start seeing this. Once again, I'm not going to say it no more, folks. When you see them numbers, that don't necessarily mean nothing. I mean, you could take something from it, like, okay, that means that I'm on the right track. That means my spirit guides are talking to me. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But it's just practice for what's really going on in your life at all times. This is what it means, folks. So once again, I'm Trenius, folks. If you want to subscribe and see more 111 videos, check out any one of these videos around you, folks. 1111 video, 111 video, all these videos, folks. And make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below. And if you have any questions or whatever, connect with me on Realm Team. Sign up on the website or just check out that comment below that I just left down there at the top. And I'll talk to you when you're on the other side. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.